Hey guys, just in the clinic today seeing some emergency visits on a Sunday. And one of the things that came to mind is people that crack their own necks and backs. It's just not good for you. And you shouldn't do that, but you should go see a chiropractor to get the problem dealt with correctly. And I wrote a book about this. It's coming out next week on Amazon. We're just uploading the audio tracks for it. We have a webinar on Don't Crack Your Back next week as well. Now, to get a ticket for that event, click on the link in the bio or the show notes below, and I'll see you there.